The BAYSQUIRREL 22-inch smart ceiling fan offers seamless integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the fan and lights through simple voice commands. Equipped with a Bluetooth speaker and RGB lights, this ceiling fan can transform your space with personalized music and dynamic lighting scenarios. It offers 6 wind speeds and 3 dimmable LED light settings, enabling you to tailor the ambiance to your preference. The enclosed bladeless design of this ceiling fan enhances safety, making it ideal for homes with low ceilings and children. Installation is straightforward as most parts are pre-assembled, requiring only wire connections and mounting. BAYSQUIRREL provides responsive customer service, ensuring any inquiries or issues are addressed promptly.